This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Market Report and Cash Flow Account Update for the week ending April 19th, 2025. The market finished lower this week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average decreased minus 1.33% on Thursday and was down minus 2.66% for the week. The S&P 500 increased 0.13% on Thursday but was down minus 1.5% for the week. The Nasdaq decreased minus 0.13% on Thursday and was down minus 2.62% for the week. But that doesn't really matter to me because no matter what the market does, I get cash flow from Bitcoin. And Bitcoin was actually up 1.36% this week, but that doesn't really matter either because I still generate cash flow from Bitcoin no matter what Bitcoin does. I make cash flow off of Bitcoin's volatility, and we know that Bitcoin is volatile. My goal is to generate at least $500 per week in cash flow or income, which is $2,000 per month from selling options on Bitcoin stocks and ETFs. I created a watch list I use to help me select which options of Bitcoin stocks and ETFs that I may want to sell. And looking at my watch list from the week, the strongest performer on the list was Strategy Incorporated, ticker symbol MSTR. In the first column, it was up 1.78% on Thursday and increased 5.74% for the week. Strategy Incorporated, which was once known as MicroStrategy, is an artificial intelligence powered enterprise analytics software and services company in the United States. They also serve clients in Europe, the Middle East, Africa, and other international locations. The company provides non-technical users with the ability to directly access novel and actionable insights for decision making using hyperintelligence, a context-based, click-free insight for the user. Strategy serves the U.S. government, state and local governments, and a wide range of industries throughout the world. Strategy is best known for implementing a Bitcoin treasury program where they buy and hold Bitcoin as treasury. This week, I generated cash flow from selling 7 different option contracts that range from $55.34 to $225.33. I received a total of $677.37 for the 7 options contracts. And here are the sales from my account. Sorry, you can't see exactly what I sold. My cash flow goal for 2025 is $30,000. And that is more than $2,000 per month. And that's because I'm sure I will continue to beat my weekly and monthly cash flow goals. With this system, the cash flow money is free and clear. You can take it out of your account and spend it or leave it in to build your cash balance and or invest it. What do you think I should do with my $677.37 this week? Well, I have credit card bills to pay, so I will take it out. This strategy is guaranteed to produce cash flow immediately in every week that it is applied. However, it does not guarantee the amount of cash flow from week to week, nor the value of your account. The amount varies and the account value varies. For example, this week the cash flow amount slightly decreased from the prior week. This was last week versus this week. And my total account value increased 1.54%. What's the catch? Knowledge. Specifically, you have to understand option contracts. And there are many ways to use options. I employ one of the easiest ways, one that guarantees me income every week. It is very simple, but most people will never learn how because they refuse to read books that you can get from the library for free or buy cheaply online. But somehow people believe you have to pay a lot of money to take a course from somebody to learn something. You don't. You can learn for free. But please understand that most books are designed to inform you generally, not specifically. They aim to provide you with information and change your mindset. However, there are a few how to books, that is, books that show you exactly what to do. Some how to books are more detailed than others. It is up to you to understand and know the differences. I'm not offering to show you exactly how I use options. I think it should be good enough to understand that I sell options related to Bitcoin. I don't buy options. There are many strategies that involve buying and selling options, doing combinations of buying and selling. There are over 400 different option strategies. But I take the easiest strategy, one that guarantees me income every week. Selling options is a lot easier than selling anything else. For one, I don't have to advertise. There is no marketing cost. I don't have to search for and find buyers. If you understood the US financial system, you would know that the buyers are built into the system. There is no customer acquisition costs. The only cost that I incur is a commission fee. And you see the commission fee I pay is about 66 cents, sometimes 67 cents for each sale. The purpose of my videos is to report and show you the proof, the receipts as they say, of getting guaranteed income. I would hope that you are motivated to do your own research, read, watch YouTube videos, discuss with your trusted and knowledgeable friends and family, and see what they say. If they don't know what I'm talking about, then they're the wrong people to talk to. In the meanwhile, check back each week to see how my cash flow and income I generate to see whether or not I meet my cash flow goals. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.